Hey YouTubers, Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. Today we're talking about a storage unit that we just recently purchased from IKEA. And this might be something that you like and may be useful. And the best part about this storage unit is it is customizable. Here are the directions. There's a picture of the storage unit. We also bought removable storage bins that go in and out of that. They're pretty cool. And I'm not going to bore you with the actual building process of the storage unit. I'll show you the end product. Here's what the storage unit looks like all built. Now it's time to put together those little bins. That's what it looks like all assembled. It has a little part where you can pull on it. Put the first one in the dead center, and we bought 5 of those little storage bins. I'll show you the finished product here shortly. Second storage bin is in. It's kind of like it's a big tic-tac-toe board. There it is, storage unit is built. The 5 bins are positioned the way we want them to, and this is a lot of storage. Again, you have 3 open slots on the top, 3 in the middle, 3 on the bottom, 9 total spots for storage. And again, the way we did it, we purchased 5 storage bins. We could have purchased 9, but we just chose 5, and that will allow a lot of storage for kid toys. And as far as the open slots, that could be anything such as books, etc. That's it. I hope the video helped. Do us a favor, below the video you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely go to your settings, turn on your YouTube notification bell. Once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us, and that will be awesome. Also, at the end of this video, there's a lot of links to more videos that we talk about storage units, putting on door handles, putting on hinges, etc. Definitely check those out.